Welcome back. Let's get you a quick check of the situation in Hyderabad and certain other areas of Telangana that have received unprecedented rainfall in a short period of time that has resulted in severe flooding, especially of low-lying areas. In fact, people are still dealing with waterlogging in various parts of the city, and both the state and the central government have taken stock of the situation. Here's more.
Heavy rainfall which lashed the city of Hyderabad and affected the most of the low-lying areas in the city. Well, now we are here in Chandrayana Gutta area where the Musi river flows. Well, the situation was worst yesterday as the water was overflowing over the roads and across. Well, now the water had entered into the low-lying areas, entered into the houses. Well, people were the worst affected, and now after the waterlogging has come down, people have been trying to clean their houses. Well, we are here at the Musi river where you can see the boundary wall of this particular area had come down, had broken down due to the heavy inflow of water due to the heavy rainfall which is affected. As you can see, the damage which is done in this particular area. The temple's boundary wall also has been broken down. Well, the IMD department says that Hyderabad had witnessed a time-breaker record of heavy rainfalls this time, and also the citizens claim that no officials come here and ask for their grievances, and also they only come at the time of asking for votes. But when it comes to the problems, there's no solution to it. The citizens have also been complaining that officials come, they ask for the problems and they just leave. But what is the solution to it is the major question being asked by officials. And also now citizens are trying to bring back normalcy by cleaning their particular houses, as the properties in their houses have also been damaged. So bringing back normalcy is very much important at this point in time. After heavy downpour in the state of Telangana, and specifically when it comes to Hyderabad, we had witnessed a lot of waterlogging in various parts of area, especially in the low-lying areas. Well, we are currently in Chandrayana Gutta of Hyderabad where the Musi river flows from here, and as there was a heavy downpour, the waterlogging in this low-lying area had houses had submerged into water was entered into their houses, and also the damage in their houses has been worst affected. People in this area have been worst affected. As you can see, the properties been damaged due to the heavy rainfall and constant rains which impacted the normalcy in Hyderabad. Well, people here are trying to clean their house, and also will try and speak to them. भैया आप बताइए, बारिश बहुत हो गई है यहाँ पे, तो आपका क्या कहना है, मतलब किस तरह से आपका डैमेज हुआ?
देखिए मैडम, मैं देखो पूरा कितना डैमेज हो गया, पानी घुस गया, पूरा राशन चले गया, कुछ भी नहीं है।
कोई आया नहीं था क्या गवर्नमेंट से, जीएचएमसी से सफाई ये सब करने के लिए?
नहीं आए, वहाँ का वहाँ देख लिए, चले गए।
Citizens are saying that the officials had come, just visited the place and they left but did not do anything. Well, they also have to say that this is the situation every time when it rains heavily in Hyderabad, because this is one of the low-lying areas in Hyderabad and is worst affected when it comes to heavy downpour in the city of Hyderabad.